Welcome to Tiny Time. Let's finish up our outdoor spaces. With the deck project finished, the next area in our outdoor space that we wanted to complete was our fire pit. The first thing that we built in this area was a privacy screen between our site and the next door camper. Now, one of the things that Michael likes to do anytime he's doing a woodworking project is to route the edges of the boards just so that they are more comfortable for hands. The first step was to dig holes and insert the 4x4 upright support boards, and then we began attaching the 1x6 boards to create that privacy fence, and we decided to install them in a horizontal orientation rather than a vertical, because it matched the horizontal orientation of the stainless steel cable that we had used on the deck. We also used graduated spacing between the boards, again so it matches the graduated spacing used on our deck and to allow some free flow of air. After building up the fire pit area with some additional gravel, it's time to get started on the next step of our outdoor living space, which is our fieldstone patio. The next step is filling in the spaces with pea gravel. Oh boy. Yeah. After a lot of shoveling, and I do mean a lot of shoveling, we finally had the main part of our patio area and our outdoor living spaces complete. Now time for the final touches. One of the final touches that I'm extremely happy about was the steel signs that we put up on the privacy screen. The one sign that is the focal point of the wall has two owls on it, and it reads "Our Happy Place." In addition to that, we added flowers around the patio area to add a little bit of color, and that also made me very, very happy. We really love the stone and wood effects of the patio, but it definitely needed that green and the color added by the flowers. If you enjoy our content, please leave us a like, click on the leaf watermark and subscribe to our channel, and set your settings for notifications if you want to know when a new video has been posted. Check out our other M&M playlists, and we look forward to seeing you next time. See you later.